Welcome to the exclusive unboxing of Micromax Eureka. This is Dhaval Simaria and accompanied by Drumil Dokai, Piyush Raitata and Himanshu Sonchatra. Well, this is the package that we have got from Amazon. Well, the safety seems to be tougher than Barack Obama's beast. Let's take a scalpel. I bought it for my biological practicals, but I'll be using for dissection of Eureka. Well, Indians need to take a note from Amazon for punctuality. The 5 days order time was completed within 2 days. So, the bill. This is the box. So we have the god of mobile phones in our hand. One more. And here it is. Amazing. So we have a rugged back cover, scratchless, micro USB port at the bottom, 3.5 mm jack for headphone on the top, volume control keys on the left part of the body and the power button on the right. We have a 13 megapixel camera with flash at the end, at the back of the cover, and a wonderful front camera of 5 megapixels. We have a 1.5 gigahertz quad core processor with 64 bit compatibility. That's it. Let's see what we have. We have accompanied user manual, warranty card and SR information. Okay, we have a scratch card also. Classic white headphones with Eureka symbols embroidered on them. Oh, so we have a detachable battery in Eureka. Good.
वाह बुरा वाह.
We have a 2500 milliamps rechargeable. What else? Okay, so this is the charger. So this is the data cable come charging cable and the charger with USB port. So friends, we are not done yet. Let's review the features of Micromax Eureka. So this is the phone. As we can see, Cyanogen OS, which is blended with Android 4.4.4, the first time for any Android phone. So let's go. First of all, we have a 5.5-inch display, a vibrant display with beautiful colors. We have a 1.5 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon ARM7 processor with 64-bit compatibility. As far as memory is concerned, we have a 2 GB RAM and a 16 GB inbuilt memory, which is expandable up to 64 GB. Let's have a look at this configurations. So we have Android 4.4.4 and a kernel version of Cyanogen mode. Generally, developers or engineers tend to root their mobile phone after the warranty period expires, but this time Micromax has took a new initiative by blending the Cyanogen mode with Android, which the developers have welcomed. Okay, and storage. Let's have a look at storage. Phone is reversed to me. So total storage of 12.8 GB available for the user and a RAM of 1218 megabytes out of 2 GB. Now camera, let's have a look at the camera. We have a 13 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. The camera clarity is awesome. Just we'll have a take photos. So as you can see, camera is up to the mark. It stands up to its 13 megapixel standard. Let's have a look at front camera. So again, it is awesome. It is as clear as it can be for the 5 megapixel camera. Okay, so now if we consider the looks are pretty as in awesome. The new approach that Micromax has taken this time is they haven't mentioned Micromax logo anywhere on the phone. In fact, they haven't given their logo anywhere on the package also. You won't find a Micromax logo anywhere. So that's a new thing. One thing from my side is this Eureka logo. It looks beautiful, but one amendment which Micromax can bring next time is a blinking logo. Whenever a call comes, the logo blinks, which would make it more better, like icing on the cake. That's it from my side. Thank you.